been a long, long time. I have been playing things through in my mind. Prison equals narrative and separation is damnation for our kind. I spent years chasing after a mess, but easy living don't pay the rent. So put sticks in words and wastelands, leave the machinery for the rest. Was a smoke-filled room in Columbus in May. Bottles on the ground in a desolate place. Well, baby, I must have missed you, but I don't remember feeling all that sad. I must have hit every bar in that town. I must have made a damn fool of myself. I woke up more than once on the sidewalk that year. But it's not crazy to gamble away all those Louisiana hot sauce rainy nights. It's not crazy to take your shoes and just start walking till the sun comes up. I got miles to go still, miles to get there. Maybe it'll be this car that makes it, but I am not an unconditional believer. Got more pockets than pennies these days. Keep coming up with reasons to leave this place. It's like honey spilled on the table, an invitation for another pest. But I got more space to fill, few more breaths to breathe in, something other than more time to sleep. But it's not crazy to gamble away all those Louisiana hot sauce